Next, we are going to move towards eighth sum. A conical water tank with vertex down 12 meters height. H is equal to 12 meters and radius 5 meters. R is equal to 5. Height is H, height is 12 and radius is 5. At top of the water flows at a rate of, see the word rate came. Rate came is nothing but differentiate. Cubic per minute. They are not given this length area, but what again? Okay, cubic, then cubic surely going to be a volume. Minute surely going to be a time. So dv by dt you want to write properly. Cubic is nothing but volume, minute is nothing but cubic meter, no cubic meter, that is meter cube. Cubic meter is nothing but meter cube. Cube is nothing but volume, minute is nothing but time. So dv by dt is nothing but 10 meter cube per minute. How fast the depth? What is my depth? Depth is nothing but height. Height and depth are same. How fast? The word fast came. So I want to write dh by dt. Fast came. dh by dt. Water increases when the water is 8 meters. When h equal to 8. I need to find dh by dt when h is equal to 8. So now we enter inside a sum. Take the sum. First, what is the given? They given height. Height is equal to 12 meter and radius is equal to 5 meter. Height is equal to 12 meter and radius is equal to 5 meter. So I am going to write r by h. R by h is equal to 5 by 12. R by h is equal to 5 by 12. R is equal to 5h by 12. This h moves here. R is equal to 5h by 12. So next, what is the given? The next given is dv by dt. dv by dt is nothing but 10 meter cube per minute. To find, I need to find dh by dt. I need to find dh by dt when h is equal to 8 meter. When h is equal to 8 meter. So first, this conical tank, no, this is a conical tank. Conical tank. What is the formula for cone? Volume is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square. This is a formula. 1 by 3 pi r square. This is a volume formula. 1 by 3 pi r square. They are speaking only the height. Height is nothing but depth. We don't need radius. To remove the radius. So V is equal to 1 by 3 pi. What is R here? 5h by 12. What is the present here? Square into h. Because we don't need radius. They are speaking only of the height. So remove the radius. R is equal to 5h by 12. R is equal to 5h by 12 the whole square. So volume is nothing 1 by 3 pi. 5 the whole square is 25. H the whole square is h square. 12 the whole square is 144 into h. So next, volume is equal to, if we are going to see, volume is nothing but 1 by 3 into pi into 25 by 144. H square into h is nothing but h cube. H square into h. H square into h is nothing but h cube. So still now we have found. Now we need to differentiate. Differentiate v with respect to t. Differentiate v with respect to t. dv by dt 1 by 3 pi 25 144 all constant. H cube bring down 3h square. Next only for h dh by dt. Only for h is nothing but dh by dt. Because with respect to t, no, 3h square. For h is dh by dt. What is by dv by dt? Nothing but 10. 1 by 3 pi 25 144 3 h square. What is h? H is nothing but 8. 8 into 8 into dh by dt. So cancel down properly, otherwise sum will not provide us. So 3 and 3 gets cancelled. Next, 10 2 times. This is 5 times in 5 table. Next, 8 and 144. We will check 144 divided by 8. 1 8 is 8. 6 44. 8s are 18 8s are. Therefore 8 8s are 64. Nothing but 0. 18 times. This one how many times? 18 times. Okay. Next, this 18 and 8 can be cancelled. How many times? This will, if you are going to cancel, this will become 2 table, no, 4 times. This will become 9 times. This one cancel 2 times. So 5 2s are 10, here 9. How I can write? See here, this 9 moves here, this 9 moves here. 5 2s are 10, here pi is present, so 10 pi. 9 divided by 10 pi is equal to dh by dt. Therefore, final answer, how I can write, the final answer is nothing but how fast, the word given, how fast the water is, depth is increased. The final answer, therefore, the water depth increases 9 by 10 pi. What is h? H is nothing but meter, t is nothing but minutes. Therefore, meter per minute. That's all. Minute, I put MIN, meter per minute.